Hey guys, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and I'm going to teach you how to play God Whispered Your Name by Keith Urban. It's a new song. I love it. I can't get enough of it. I think it sounds, I don't know, it's just really sweet and awesome. So I'm going to show you the ways that I think it's actually played, and then some easier ways to play parts of it too. So let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo. By the way, if you like this video, if you enjoy it, please hit the like button and hit subscribe. I would love it whenever I get subscribers, so I really appreciate it for those of you who have, and for those of you who are about to, so thank you. So let's get right into it, okay? So you're going to put your pointer finger on the G string, okay, on the 2nd fret. Now you're going to pluck that, just that one, and then you're going to hammer, okay? So you're going to go, and then take it off. So it's not a pull off though, okay? It's a hammer. And then you're gonna do open on that string. Then on the D string, you're gonna pluck the 2nd fret, but you're gonna slide, okay, to the 4th fret. So it goes on G, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, O, 2, 2 to 4, okay? I don't know if that helps. Oops. Okay, so you do that. You're going to do it 4 times before you start singing lyrics. Now, if you want to do an easy like rip-off way of doing it, which I totally think is fine if you're like newer at guitar or whatever, especially like if you're not good at slides and stuff, you can actually just play the D chord. Okay, so you can just go dun 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 dun, because that's like the key that it's in right there. Okay, dun 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 dun. Okay, so that's what it's playing over. All right, so that's a very easy way to do that if you have a struggle with that part. Okay, so another thing that now after you do that 4 times, you're just gonna play these chords. You're gonna play D for most of the verses. Okay, and you're just gonna do it just like that. Okay, you're gonna palm mute. You don't have to palm mute, but I think it sounds better because the song is more muted here. So it's just gonna be, and palm muting is, remember, putting that part as close as you can to here, okay? And then you're just going to pluck the bottom, okay, the G, B, and E, okay? Okay, so you're just going to do that. D. I was so cold and lost, and nothing seemed to ring true. I couldn't bear the cross for everything I've been through. See how easy that is? And it's just down. So I was so cold and lost. Okay, and that's how it is. That's super easy. Okay, so it's that very easy strumming pattern while you're palm muting it. Okay, then you're gonna go to after for everything I've been through, and you're gonna go and each day. You're still gonna palm mute, but you're gonna do the A chord. Okay, A. And each day I knew I needed change, and that's where you do G. Okay, doesn't matter if you do this G or this G. You'll notice when I play this, sometimes I switch back and forth, just because it's whatever's easiest for me at the moment. And that's one thing to keep in mind with guitar, is just do what is easy for you, as long as it like still makes sense and sounds good. Okay, not everything is this like exact science. Like you can play things different ways. So that's how you'll do that. You'll go D for most of it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's it. Just all down, strums on muting, palm muting. You do D, and then you go, and each day, and it stays the same strumming, okay, on A. And each day, I knew I needed change. There was no better way. And you go back to D. So it's D, and then you do A, G, and then D. Okay, D. Now, at the end of it, right at the end, okay, you're gonna, I don't know if you've done like these little like harmonics, I think is what they're called, but so you're gonna just kind of touch on the 7th fret, the D and the G strings, okay, but you're gonna touch it like on the fret, not in the middle, on the fret, okay, and you're not gonna push down, you're just gonna like lightly touch it, and you're gonna pull off a little bit, okay, so like, just like that. All right, now if that's hard, you don't have to do that, all right? If you don't know how to do that and you want to practice it, but you still want to play this for someone, or just with friends or whatever, you can actually just do D. D at the end, okay? There was no better way, no way. You can just do that. And then God whispered your name. Okay, so then you're gonna go into G, G. Then God whispered your name. That's when everything changed. Okay, so notice I'm doing a different strumming pattern here. I'm doing, then God whispered your name. So it's down, down, up. Then God whispered your name. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Okay, that's when everything changed. Then you go to D, okay? Change. And you do the same strumming right there. Changed. And love came out of the rain. Talk about being saved. Okay, so you're doing G, G, and again, doesn't matter if it's this G or this G. So you're gonna do G, D, and then you're gonna do E minor on rain. Love came out of the rain. And then you're gonna do B minor, okay? And talk about being saved. Okay? And you just start over. Okay, so you go, oh, suddenly I wanna live. G is on live. Live more than I ever did. Okay, did is D. Never gonna be the same. E minor. Then you go, when God whispered your name. And then you're gonna start over with that. Okay, and you do that twice. Or you can just play D. Okay, so you can just do that. It's kind of up to you, however you're comfortable playing. And then you're gonna start over. The verse is exactly the same. So it's just that same D for most of it, then A, okay, then G, and then D. And that's how it ends there, okay? Then when you go to the bridge, you're gonna play it a little bit, you're gonna play it differently. The same chords, but you're gonna do, so it's bum, bum, bum. Okay, so it's GAD, is how I remember it, G-A-D, all right? So you do, let's see, so you do G, A, D, okay, and then you're gonna go back to A. It's just what I needed to hear, baby. Okay, then you do on here, you do B minor, okay, you go, it couldn't be, and then you go D, G, okay, it couldn't be more loud and clear. Okay, so you do C on clear. And then you're gonna go, when God whispered your name, and then you go to G, okay? That's the whole song. So at the very end of it, if you want me to walk you through this, very end of it, you're just gonna do those same, when they're like, hallelujah, you're gonna go, that G, it's just the same as the chorus. Hallelujah. Okay, so it's that same G, D, E minor, B flat. Or sorry, B minor. Okay, I don't know, it's probably the same thing. But anyway, so that's how you play the whole song. So let me know if you have any questions. It's a beautiful song. It's a very easy song to play as well. You can just basically use those like 4 chords the whole time. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions and in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.